Hey guys, so today I'm going to be opening up my package from my Secret Santa. So I did this with a couple of other AGTubers and AGIGers. So I did this with Abby's AG on YouTube and Abby's.ag on Instagram and my AgAwesomeStudios on Instagram. So make sure you guys go follow them and subscribe to Abby's AG. So let's get started. And if you're new here, make sure you subscribe because I'm trying to hit 375 subscribers by the end of the month and by the end of the year. So let's get started. Okay, so here it is. I'm pretty sure that this is not from Amazon because it has her address on it. So let's see if I can open this with all the tape on here. I'm just gonna take this off camera so that I can open it a little easier. Okay, so here it is. The address. So alright, so first thing I have is this, and there's like a little picture of our generation girl, one of the outfits. So I'm wondering if like this is the outfit, this is like one accessory, and this is another or something. She does like the best job of tape. There we go. Got it. So the first thing that we have are these watermelon sunglasses. These are adorable. Then we also have these two popsicles. We have one light purple and one dark purple. There we go. Alright, so here are the shoes. They're these really purple sandals. These are like adorable. I have those exact same ones in clear. Okay, and find the last one. Yep, so I was right. So first thing that we have are these OD green, like 3/4. Wait, which way? Oh, alright. Well, I think they go this way. Yes, they go this way. So we have these OD green 3/4 length pants. These are like really weird because the Velcro is in the back, and I'm usually used to the Velcro being on the front. On pant, and then we have this watermelon and lemon shirt. This is like absolutely adorable. So now getting back into here, ooh, we have some fuzzy socks. They're really cute. And then on the inside it says sleigh. It's like little grippy things, and yeah, the other side says sleigh too. So these are super cute. I'm so excited. And they're a one size fits nobody. And then we also, ooh, these are cute. So these probably will be like a tiny bit too big because I have the world's tiniest feet. But they're these little penguin socks. These are so cute. Here we have just a bunch of chocolates. Here, let me open it through the bag. Have some little chocolates. These are going to be super yummy. And then we also have this Christmas ornament skirt. This is absolutely adorable. I don't know if you made this, but if you did, this is like super cute. And then I'm wondering if this is a shirt. Ooh. So here it is. This is super pretty. I think this goes super well with the skirt. Let's see. This is kind of what it'll look like. This looks super cute. I can't wait for my dolls to wear this. And then here we have the card. It says holiday happiness on it, and it says a list of what can be found in the box. Maroon doll sweater with lace, homemade by me. It is super cute. Christmas ornament skirt, handmade by me. Once again, super cute. A bag of chocolate candies. I hope you like chocolate. I do. 2 pairs of Christmas socks. Yep. Our Generation Cutie Fruity outfit, brand new. The package didn't fit in the box, sorry. It's fine, but it's super cute. 2 Ladybug AG06, wishing you absolute joy this holiday season. Merry Christmas and happy holidays. This year has certainly been crazy, but hopefully we can all experience some holiday cheer. Thank you for organizing the Secret Santa. It was really fun and I enjoyed meeting everyone. I also hope that you like everything I sent you. Thanks again for the opportunity. Your Secret Santa. That was Melissa from my AgAwesomeStudios. Thank you. This is super cute. I can't wait for my dolls to wear like everything. Maybe I'll put some pictures of my dolls wearing stuff because it is super cute. So yeah, thank you so much, Melissa. And yeah, please comment, like, and subscribe. Bye!